Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Pomeroy, Ohio. We got another truck 4x4 we're getting ready to put out. I'd like to share this with you. This is a 2013 Toyota Tundra. Now this is a sharp truck. You're going to see once I start doing the walk around on this. It's got a V8 engine in it, 5.7 liter. So let's go ahead and do our walk around. It does have the deep tinted windows on it. Black cloth interior. You do have 4 doors on this. Nice, very nice rims and tires on this truck. Get in here close. I'll show you this TRD Rock Warrior Toyota Racing Development. Isn't that special? So let's go around here. It does have a backup camera on it. It's got the tonneau cover, as you can see on the back of it. Your backup camera is right here. It's got the receiver hitch lights. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the bed. Okay, here we are. I got the tailgate down. It does have a bed liner in it. And here you can see that tonneau cover a little bit more. So let's continue our walk around. So we'll go over here on the driver's side. I'm really impressed with the rims and tires on this truck. This thing's sharp. There's your emblem for your 5.7 liter V8. Get down here and show you all kinds of tread on these tires. Nice rims on it. Let's go ahead and open the door right here. Take a look inside. Now your seats do fold. Black cloth interior. Show you the headliner. So let's go ahead and take a look up front. One thing about this truck, it does have heated mirrors. I don't know if you can see the emblem right there, but you do have heated mirrors on this, so let's go ahead and climb inside. Before we get inside, let's take a look inside. How's that sound to you? I've got the key in there, it's dinging to me. You got solid black door panels, window controls, locks, controls for your lighting, and your mirrors are right here. So you do have lumbar support on your seat. So let's go ahead and get inside. Okay guys, here we are. Got the inside. I got the truck started up. Show you the appearance here before we get close and personal. So let's go over here, show you the instrument gauges. Tachometer on the left. Now the mileage as of this video is 88,206 miles. Actually lights up very nice inside. You do have controls on the left side for your audio, volume up, down. It does have Bluetooth connectivity to your smartphone, so you can answer, receive phone calls here. Push to speaker right here. It does have cruise control with a separate lever. And go over here, you see your two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive selector right on the center console. Get up here, stereo speaker, and I hope you can see in there it's got a digital clock, and it does have a CD player right here. Your audio section, get down here, your climate control. You can sync it here for dual climate control. Lift this up and you do have a USB port along with auxiliary input. There's two 12-volt ports right here for all your electronics. You can see you've got 3 cup holders here. Very sharp. This is a very sharp truck. Center armrest does open up, all kinds of storage right there. The seats inside's very good condition. Let's take a look in back.